Breville oven temperature not matching your thermometer? Fix it fast. This oven shows set temperature, not a live readout. During preheat, the display says preheating and beeps early at about 75% of target so you can load food. The elements then finish climbing to full temperature. Inside readings also vary. A small oven cycles its quartz elements on and off to hold heat, so the air around your thermometer swings above and below the target. That's normal regulation, not a fault. For the most accurate check, place an oven-safe thermometer on the middle rack and bake with convection off. Let it stabilize for at least 15 minutes before comparing. Quick door opens, fan settings, or multiple racks will throw readings off. If your oven never reaches temperature, food burns way too fast, or you see wild swings beyond the normal range, that points to a sensor or control fault. Contact Breville support using the link in the description. If this helped you make sense of the numbers, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need an accurate oven thermometer, I've linked the one I use below. It verifies temperature so you know what's really happening inside. Thanks for watching, and trust the cycle, not the swing.